In this video I want to demonstrate how to make an internal thread using the swept cut feature. So from the features ribbon, I'm going to select swept cut. As the profile, I'll expand my feature tree here. I'll use the sketch I created earlier. And as the path, I'll use the composite curve. Now the curve is two spirals joined here, so I need it to go in both directions. So I'm going to come over here and tell it it's a bi-directional swept cut feature and say OK. And now I've created my swept cut thread. If I take my front plane, create a section view, again say OK, we can see that thread. And the reason we made this, I'll just end the section view and Control Tab back to my assembly, was so that here in the assembly, if I'm going to look at the assembly planes, zoom out a bit. If I make a section view with this assembly front plane and say OK, I now have a swept cut thread with clearance in my two mating parts that perfectly align. So this will look good if the customer or the boss need to see it, and I can also 3D print this as an assembly as long as I've made my gap properly, and I should be able to dissolve the material here and have it functioning.